dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. You are going to write your first unit test. And what is your portion? Next portion, children? Yes, the chapter numbers. In the chapters, you have only 13 example and only one exercise. In that exercise, you have only 18 problems. So, for the unit test 1, you have to revise 13 examples and 18 exercise problem. Now, we are going to revise some important key concepts in this chapter. Okay? See here. First, we are going to see the Indian system place value. What are the place values of Indian system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. What are the place values of international system? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 millions. These are the place values in Indian system and international system. Next, we are going to compare these place values of two systems. See here, children, this is the comparison table. This is very important table because based on this, you have the question in your unit test. Okay. See here, up to the 10,000 place values, both the system are same. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. See here, this is the place value of Indian system. Here you have lakh. And in the international system, you have 100,000. So you have to write it as 100,000 as 100,000 is equal to what is this? Lakh. 1 lakh. Is it clear, children? Next, what is here? 10 lakh. Here, million. So you have to write it as 1 million. 1 million equal to 10 lakh. It's clear, children? Next, what is the place value? 10 million. So you have to write it as 10 million is equal to what is the place value? Crore. So 1 crore. And see the next place value 100 million. So you have to write it as 100 million equal to 10 crore. So 10 crore. Is it clear, children? Based on this comparison of international system and Indian system, you have the questions in the unit test 1. So remember this comparison very well. Okay. See the next one. You have to, in the question paper, you have to write the number names of the numerals. Listen carefully to the question what they are asking, whether they are asking to write in Indian system or international system. Okay, first question they are asking by Indian system. As per the Indian system, how can you put the comma? First 3 digit and then next every 2 digit. That is 1, 2, 3 first comma and then 1, 2 next comma, 1, 2 next comma. This is the way you have to use comma in Indian system. So first step is you have to place the comma. Next we are going to write the number name for the given number. How can you write the number name? You have to read this number as whole. This period of number you have to read it as whole. So you have to write it as 59. What is the place value of 9? Crore. So you have to write it as 59 crore. Is it clear, children? Next, what is the next period of number? 28. What is the place value of 8? Lakh. So you have to write it as 28 lakh. See the next period of number 37. What is the place value of 7? 1000. So you have to write it as 37,000. What is the remaining number? 146. So you have to write it as 146. Is it clear, children? Now we are going to read the name once again. 59 crore, 28 lakh, 37,146. It is clear, children? Next we are going to see the number name by international system. See here, how can you use comma in international system? By every 3 digit, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we are placing the commas. First step is you have to place the comma. Next you are going to write the number name. How can you write the number name for this? So this is the first number. Before that, write the number place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So what is the period of number here? 1 and so here is 4. What is the place value of 4? Million. So you have to write it as 4 million and then read the period of number as whole. 378. One more important thing you have to notice here is don't write the conjunction 378. You have to write it as 378. Is it clear, children? 378. What is the place value of 8? 1000. So you have to write it as 378,000. And read the next number 921. So you have to write it as 900. Here you have to use the conjunction and. Okay? 921. Now you read the number name 4,378,921. 21. Is it clear, children? Okay, next we are going to see the face value and place value. While you are seeing your face in the mirror, what you can see? You can see as you are. Like that, if you ask the question, face value means write the number as it is. What is the face value of 5 in this number? That is, it is in the place of 1, 2, 3, 5. That is 100. Okay, but you can't write the 100 because its place value only 100 space. But what I am asking, face value. Face value means you have to write the number as it is. So the face value of 5 in the given number is 5 only. Well, suppose if in the question, if they are asking place value means you have to write it as 500. See the next sum. Place value of 3 in the given number. Okay, now we are going to write the place value of 3 here. Okay, now we are going to say the place value by using the Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 3 is in the place of lakh. So you have to write the place value of 3 as 3 lakhs. Before that you have to write the step as 3 into what is the place value of 3 lakh. So you have to multiply the 3 by 1 lakh. Otherwise you count the digits after the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to add the 5 zeros with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can easily write the place value of the given number. Is it clear, children? Next we are going to see the ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from small to big. Descending order means big to small. So now we are going to see the ascending order. It is given in the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 set of numbers are given in the question. Before arranging the number, first step you have to do is first write the numbers and place the commas as per the Indian system. Okay, first once again we are going to write the question and we are placing the commas by Indian system. That is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 after 2 digit. 1, 2, 3 after 2 digit. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first step we have finished. And the next step is you have to count the number of digits. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thus, it is a 5 digit, 6 digit number and it is a 5 digit number. So, among the 4 numbers, these two are the small numbers. That is because it contains 5 digit. Now, we are going to compare these two numbers. Compare the first digit 2, here also 2. Next number 8, here also 8. Until you get the smaller number, you have to compare. Okay? What is the number here next? 3. Here also 3. Then compare the next number. Here 7, here 5. So which is the smaller number? 5. So you have to write this number as first. Thus 28,356 is the first smaller number. And which is the next smaller number? This one. So you have to write it as 28,379. Thus we have arranged the two numbers. And we are going to write the next two numbers. Next again you have to compare these two numbers which is a smaller one. First you compare the first digit 2, 2, 8, 8, 3, 3. Thus the first 3 digit here and here are same. So you are going to compare the next digit. What is the next digit here? 7. Here 1. So which is the smaller number? This one. So you have to write it as 2,83,148 and write the next number. Thus we have arranged the given number in ascending order, that is small to big. Next concept we are going to see is write the numerals for the following number names. You will also have the write the numerals by giving the expanded form also, children. First we are going to write the numerals by using the number name. In the question they give the name of the number. By using the number name you are going to write the numerals. Numerals mean numbers. Okay. See here 2,45,875. By seeing the question you have to analyze the which system they are using. By seeing this question you can analyze easily which system they are using. Yes, Indian system. First you have to write it as Indian system. Why you are writing the Indian system? Then only you can write the place value. Okay. Thus we are using the Indian system to write the place value ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Thus we have written all the place value in the Indian system. Next we are going to write the numbers by using this number name. See clearly. First one is 2 lakh. That is 2. It is in the place of lakh. So in the column of lakh you have to write the number 2. Before the columns are should be empty. Okay. See the next number 45,000. That is, in the period of 1000, you have to write the number 45. Thus, we are writing 45. That is, 5 is in the place of 1000. Next number is very easy, 875. So, easily you can write 875. Thus, the record number is 245875. Again, you have to place the commas by limit system after 3 digit and then every 2 digit. That is, the record number is 2,45,875. It's clear, children? Once again, we are going to write the numbers but using the expanded form. Okay? See here, children. What is given in the question? They give one the expanded form. What they are asking? They are asking to write the numbers. Okay, you have to use this expanded form and you have to write the number for that. Okay, before I write the numbers, you have to check the place value in the given expanded form. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Next, you have to check whether this place value have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 6 zeros, here you have 5 zeros. It's correct. After 1 to 5 zeros, next you have to have the 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So, all the place values are correct. Next, you have to have how many zeros? Here you have 4 zeros. So, next you have 3 zeros. See here, only 1 zero. So, you are missing the 3 zero. That is 3 zero means what? 1000 place we are missing. After the 1000 place you have 2 zeros. That is 100 place. Here 100 place also missing. After the 100 you have 10. Here we have 10 place. After the 10 place you have 1's place. Here 1's place also missing. Thus, in the given expanded form, first step you have to find out is which place values are missing. Thus, we have found out 3 place values are missing. What are the place values? 1000's place, 100's place and 1's place. Now we are going to include these place values by multiplying the place value by 0. See here, 0 into 1000, 0 into 100, 0 into 1. You have to include the place value in their corresponding places. Okay. Now we are going to check whether the place values are correct. See here, 1's, 10's, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Thus, all the place values are in their places. Okay. Now we are going to write the required number. To write the number, you have to write the first number only. 2, 3, 5. Here you don't have number, that is 0. You have to write 0 and then 0, 7, 0. So the record number is, here also you have to place the commas as per the Indian system. 3 digit, 2 digit. Now you have to read this number. 1's place 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 23 lakh, 50,000, 70. This is the required number. Next we are going to see how many 7 digit numbers are there. If you have the questions like this, how many 7 digit, how many 8 digit, how many 9 digit, how many 6 digit means, you have to remember that first step is you have to write the largest 7 digit. Suppose in the question they are asking 8 digit means first step is you have to write largest 8 digit number. In the question they are asking how many 6 digit means first step you have to write is largest 6 digit. Okay, it's clear, children? So first we are writing the largest 7 digit number is you have to write the 9 7 times. Okay, what is the next step is you have to reduce 1 digit from this. So if you reduce the 1 digit from this, you get 6 digit. Next you have to write, note this, children, again you have to write the largest only. Okay, again we are writing largest, we are reducing 1 from 7, you get 6. Thus we are writing the largest 6 digit number is 6 times you have to write the number 9. Thus we are writing. After what you have to do is you have to subtract these two numbers. By subtracting these two numbers, what you get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 9 comes down. How can you read this number? 1's place 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 90 lakh. That is the total number of 7 digit number is 90 lakh, children. It's clear, children? Next, children, we are going to see some few problems from exercise. Okay. See, this is the 10th sum subdivision A from your exercise 1.1. Read the question. How many numbers are there between 43 and 58? We have seen many sums about this model. Once again, I am repeating this concept. In the question, if they are asking between numbers means what is the first step you have to do is you have to subtract the given two numbers. Okay. So first we are subtracting the given two numbers. What is the answer? 15. That is, this 15 number is between 44 and 58. That is it includes the next number to the 43, that is 44 and 58. That is the 15 numbers are numbers from 44 and 58. But the question is we have to write the between numbers, that is 43 and 58. We have to write the between numbers between 43 and 58. So in order to exclude the 58, we are subtracting 1 from 15. So you get the answer for it. So any number come with this model, that is find the between number means you have to subtract the first given two numbers and then subtract 1 from the given, that is you get the result. Then you get the answer. It's clear, children? See the next sum, this is the second sum from your exercise, that is they given some digits 2, 4, 6, 0, 5. The twist in the question is they give the number 0. Okay, they give the number 0 and ask us to write the 6-digit number, smallest 5-digit number, largest 7-digit number, like that they will ask. So first step in this model you have to do is, write the ascending order first and then descending order. Okay, first we are writing ascending order, that is 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, small to big, and descending order big to small, 6, 5, 4 to 0. Thus we have written ascending order and descending order. See the first question, the smallest 5-digit number, each digit only once. The condition is you have to write the each digit only once and you have to write the smallest 5-digit number. How many numbers they are giving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose if you write the first number as 0 means, then you get the answer as 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. That is 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. It is treated as 4-digit number only. But they are asking smallest 5-digit number. So in order to get the smallest 5-digit number, first you have to write the next smallest number in the ascending order. To writing the smallest number, you have to take the ascending order. While writing the largest number, you have to take the descending order. It's clear, children? So first, in order to write the 0, we are writing 2 first. Okay, first we are writing 2 and then 0, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the required smallest 5-digit number is 20,456. It's clear, children? See the next one. The largest 6-digit number. You have to find the largest 6-digit. Largest means which order you have to use? Ascending order or descending order? Descending order. Smallest means ascending order. It's clear? What is the condition? 0 twice. You have to use the number 0 2 times and all the digit once. It's clear, children? Now we are going to form the largest 6-digit number. So you have to draw the box contains 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have to take the descending order. Write the number as it is 6, 5, 4, 2 and you have to write the 0 twice. Thus we are writing the 0 twice. Thus the required largest 6-digit number is 6,54,200. It's clear, children? Next we are going to write largest 7-digit number. What is the condition is using 4 thrice. That is you have to use 4 thrice. Thrice means 3 times you have to use the number 4 and other digit only once. That is you have to use the number 4 3 times and other digit only once. So first you have to form the box which contains 7 columns. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is largest. So you have to consider the descending order. First we are writing just 6, 5 and then what is the number here? 4. By the given condition you have to write the 4 3 times. Thus we are writing 4, 4, 4. And what is the next number? 2, 0. Thus the required largest 7-digit number by using the given digit is 65,44,420. Is clear, children? Next we are going to see the way sums 15 and 18. The 16 and 17 sum it is in your classroom. So you will refer that sum in your classroom. Next we are going to see the 15th sum. What is 15th sum? A new music video on the web received 2,78,946 hits on first day. That is, this new music video received the hits. How much hits? 2,78,946 on first day. On second day it received 3,17,823 hits. What is the question they are asking is what are the total number of hits for the 2 days? Total means what you have to do? You have to add these two numbers, you get the answer. It's clear, children? You have to add these two numbers, you get the answer. Okay. See the next one. It is also I have given in your homework. See here, a truck can carry 15,750 kg of weight. That is, the truck can able to carry only 15,750 kg of weight only. What they are asking is, they are going to sack the potatoes. That is, they are going to separate the potatoes by 80 kg of sacks. That is, one sack contain only 80 kg. Now the question to us is, how many sacks needed? Okay, how can you find? You can find the answer by dividing this kg by 80. That is, the operation we are using is division. Here you use the operation addition. Okay, if you divide this number, that is 15,750 by 80, you get the number of sacks of meat potatoes. Okay, you get the answer. Children, you have to revise all the 13 example sums and also the exercise sums, all the sums. Okay, don't think that this sum only come to the test. Okay, this sum may come or may not come. Okay, you have to revise all the 18 sums in exercise and all the 13 example sums. Now you are going to see the instruction to write the exam, write the unit test. Okay, first step is read the questions carefully, children, and write neatly and using blue ink pen only. Okay, don't use refill pen. Use blue ink pen to write the answer and maintain the rough column, children. Whether it is in the right hand side of the page or bottom of the page, you have to maintain the rough column. Okay, you will use the pencil to write in the rough column. Okay, and then draw the finishing line. After finishing every sum, you have to draw the finishing line. Okay, and then write the question number properly. In your question paper, you have the continuous number, children, and also you have the subdivision also. So suppose if it is in the question 16 subdivision A means you have to write it as 16 subdivision A. Both the number you have to write. And one more information, while you are answering the choose question, you have to write the question number and answer optional and answer. Suppose the answer for the question number 1 is 0 means you have to write the option A. This is the question number and this is the answer 0 and this is the number of the answer. Okay, option number. Okay, so you have to write the question number, optional number and the answer. This is the rule to write the choose. Okay, I hope you will give your best in your unit test. All the best, children. Thank you.